Right, binary search, here are the steps we need to learn. So, what we do first of all, the first step, is we find the middle item in the sorted data set using this idea of the index of the lowest element in the data set plus the index of the highest element in the data set, and we find the floor division of that when we divide by 2. So I'll explain that a bit more in detail as we go through it later. Here's the overall steps. So step number 2, we compare the middle item to the target, and basically if it matches, then the item is found. If the target is smaller or comes before the middle item, then we cut off the second half of the data set, including the middle item. And if the target is larger or comes after the middle item, then we cut off the first half of the data set, including the middle item. And the last step then, well, if we haven't found it, we're going to repeat steps 1 and 2 on the new smaller data set until the target has been found or the data set cannot be split any further. So these are the steps, and look, it'll become a lot more clear when we go through the examples.